like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications. I will post daily videos of new incoming inventory, various makes, various models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a GMC Yukon Denali 2021. This is a collision damaged vehicle. Showing you the engine compartment. The unit runs and drives. Has rear end collision damage. We'll go over that in a minute. We will be selling it with a salvage title. Got a couple scuffs on the front bumper, on the hood. Do a quick walk around. Need both rear quarters, rear body panel, rear tailgate. Take a look inside. All the airbags are intact. A nice panoramic roof. No buckles or damage to the roof. Nice folding captain chairs in the middle. Beautiful interior. Let's go over the damage again. Right rear quarter panel. The exhaust has some damage here. It was a frame rail, looks okay. High hit. Rear body panel, rear tailgate. Be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.